In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the download location in Adobe Creative Cloud. This process is straightforward once you know where to look, so let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up the Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. If you have multiple Adobe apps on your computer, you'll likely find Creative Cloud right alongside them, making it easy to access. Once the app is open, let's direct our attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll find the menu option. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear, offering several options for you to choose from. In that drop-down menu, look for the File option and click on it. This will take you into another menu where you'll need to select Preferences. Clicking Preferences is like opening the door to a world of customization options within Creative Cloud, and it's the next key step in our journey today. Now that you're in the Preferences menu, you want to focus on the left-hand sidebar. Scroll through the options until you find the one labeled Services. Click on Services and it will bring you to a new set of settings related to how your Creative Cloud interacts with your computer. As you scroll through the Services settings, keep an eye out for the section labeled Asset Download Location. This is where you determine where files are saved when they're downloaded through Creative Cloud. When you find this section, you'll see an option labeled Change Location. Click it. It's like the gatekeeper to redirecting files to where you want them to go on your computer. After clicking Change Location, a dialog box will open, letting you navigate through your computer's file system. This is where you choose the new destination folder where you'd like your downloads to be stored in the future. Take a moment to decide the best spot for these files. Whether it's for organization or convenience, the choice is yours. Once you've located the ideal folder, click on it. Then, look to the bottom right of the dialog box and click the Select Folder button. This completes the process, locking in your new download path going forward. From now on, every file you download via Adobe Creative Cloud will go straight to this folder, streamlining your workflow and keeping things tidy. And there you have it. Changing the download location in Adobe Creative Cloud is as simple as following these steps, allowing you more control over your file management and where your important downloads are stored. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. As always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out.